Let's give a big round of applause for the band. Welcome everybody to the 2013 Hoover Bucs Fan Day. We're very excited to have you here. My name is Chad Pilcher, and we're just here today to kick off the 2013 season, to honor this football team and to really get excited about what's going to happen this season. I want to start by recognizing the sponsors of this event, the Galleria Mall, the Hyatt Regency Winfrey Hotel, Baptist Health, Chick-fil-A, Best Buy Mobile, and iFix and Repair that's located here in the Galleria Mall. There's so much that goes into not only the players, but a football season and getting ready for it. I want to recognize Mr. Ryan Fitzpatrick and the band who's here today, Miss Charity Jones and the Buccanettes, and then Coach Greer, Coach Freeman, Coach Henley, and the cheerleading squad. And at this time, we're going to turn it over to the cheerleaders of the band.
Everybody yell, go Hoover, go! Go Hoover! Everybody yell, go Hoover, go! Go Hoover! Everybody yell, go Hoover,
that made this possible, everyone that put in a lot of hard work, Jill Dishler, Lori Bennett, and also Brian Etheridge with the Hoover, the Buccaneer Touchdown Club. This has been a great event, exciting event. Remember, if you need tickets to the Colquitt County game, you can get those starting tomorrow at the high school athletic office or at any Bryant Bank location. And the Bucs kick off the season in the Jamboree this Thursday night at Florence High School. Thanks everybody, go Bucs.